Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can perform all celebrations in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. First of all, if you pause the game and go to celebration, you'll able to see key combinations you need to perform for a particular celebration. And you can see if you select this one, low clap toss, for that you need to press LB plus RB and move your right stick towards the right hand side. If you're playing the game on PlayStation, it would be L1, R1 and move your right stick to the right side. So this is the key combination for low clap toss. Similarly, you can check all these available ones. But for some reason, if you don't know when to perform the celebration, as soon as you get the pop-up celebration, you need to perform the key combination and you'll able to basically perform the celebration. In this particular clip, I had performed Heisenman pose by pressing right trigger with moving the right stick up. So yeah, that's it. This is how you'll able to perform all celebrations inside College Football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.